Welcome. If you want to activate private account on the Instagram, let's go for the application. Right now, let's click right here on these three horizontal lines, then move to the settings. And right now we have to go for the privacy. Tap on the account privacy. And as you can see, there's the option. So all we have to do is just to click on this switcher to activate it. And right now, if we want to make our account private, it's going to switch back to a personal account. So of course, I don't want to do this because this is our business account for HardReset, but in your case, it will work. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.